Hi, I'm Elinor Silverstein, and welcome to the Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference Series, where the theme is breath. It will run live September 6th, the 27th, and October 18th. And today I'm here with Fariya Doctor, and the title of her workshop is Unpacking the Magic of the Seesaw Breath. Maria, tell us about your workshop and where your inspiration has come from.
Well, I find that this seesaw breathing, and there are a number of lessons that Dr. Moshe Feldenkrais taught about it, and they're very powerful. They create incredible change. So that's why I call it the magic of the seesaw breath, because there's so much you can do with it, and so much you can do as a practitioner to help people who have paradoxical breathing, where they have breathing that's a bit unusual, that's causing some distress in their body, strain in their body, digestive issues, maybe headaches, whatever. There's so much application with this approach of breathing and breathing in all these interesting and unusual ways. So there are some approaches with the seesaw breath where you breathe in and do the movement, or you breathe out and do the movement, or you don't breathe at all. So that particular aspect I love because it dissociates the muscles that we associate with breathing,
Hmm.
and sort of moves it away from the actual function of breathing. So that's one aspect that I will be teaching. And the other aspect is how to create spaces. Within the seesaw breath, you end up improving mobility of certain areas to maximize breathing overall. And people who have, let's say, very tight chest or very tight abdomens often will feel like suddenly they have more room to inflate their lungs or deflate, depending on the challenges they have or their preferences. So we'll be looking at preferences. And then we'll also be looking at those clinical applications where it's really useful to teach a student, a client, a patient this approach to help them feel better or help them reestablish a more easy, effortless breath.
So I have a question. Would a lesson like this with the seesaw breathing help people who have pelvic floor issues?
Yes,
In
yes,
what way?
because when you're doing a breath where you're doing expansion and opening in the abdomen, you're you're creating a downward pressure into the pelvic floor. I'm not going to be talking too much about pelvic floor stuff. I think that's in someone else's area of expertise in the conference. But yes, breathing influences everything.
Very good. Very good. And I know, I don't know if people know a little bit about your history, about your love for breathing that you have been doing for how many years? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, just before COVID hit, I was taking some training with the Buteyko Institute. I actually learned directly from Patrick McEwen and loved the work that I was gathering within that field, but also the scientific application, the science to support breathing and why it's important to slow down breathing, what's going on in the body chemically, what's going on in the nose chemically to help us maximize breathing. So I've been doing this for quite a while. I've been interested in breathing since childhood because of my issues with asthma and also with watching my mother die of lung cancer, right? So I was watching her breathe. So I was very influenced by listening to her breathing pattern. And of course, with grief developed, with developed asthma. So this fascination and focus of understanding and wanting to understand breath has gone way back for me. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that reminder. Is there anything else you'd like to add about what you do with this with breath or the workshop?
No, I'm delighted to be able to teach this workshop. Of course, it's a passion of mine and really love the seesaw breath. That's why I decided I wanted to teach it.
Good.
So I'm super excited. I think it's the second segment of the conference.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm so looking forward to seeing you at the upcoming conference, teaching this with the seesaw breathing and the magic of it. So thank you so much, Faria, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
Welcome. You're very welcome. I'm really looking forward to the rest of the presenters speaking as well.
Yeah,
Really.
it's going to be a
That's
good one.
what a
Thank
super
you.
theme.
See you soon.
See you soon.